Hey guys, so welcome to the lesson on subtracting vectors. This one's going to be really quick because it's very similar to adding vectors. There's just one extra little thing that you have to do if you have to subtract it. So similarly to adding vectors, a vector can be subtracted from another vector to find a resultant vector. Just exactly what we're doing with adding vectors. To subtract vector u minus v, we're going to add the opposite of v to u. And I'm going to show you how this works when we do an example. But take note that here it's actually u minus v is actually u plus the negative direction of v. So whatever direction that vector v is going to, when we add it, we leave it in that same direction. When we subtract, all we do is turn it around. So it's going in the opposite direction. Same magnitude, but opposite direction. So I'll show you what happens with this example. Given vectors u and v, determine u minus v. So what we're going to do is we have u here and we have v, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw v in the opposite direction, and this is actually minus v. So then what you're going to do, so kind of the step is to draw v in opposite direction. And then we're just going to add like in previous lesson, if I can spell. So if we were to draw this out, we're still going to draw u exactly like it is, but instead of drawing v to it, we're actually going to go in the opposite direction. So that's v and that's u, but this is minus v. And instead of our resultant, so now this time our resultant vector is here, which is u minus v. Okay, and then we would just do exactly the same steps as we did before. That's really how you do it. I have on the bottom, don't forget, you also need to use the primary trig ratios, the sine law, and the cosine law to solve some of these problems. So use those if you need to, but that's pretty much it. That is subtracting vectors. So go with it. Just remember to put that second vector in the opposite direction. Bye, guys.